Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and mounting the guide to the shoe. This keeps your cut consistent. Once the guide is loose, slide it so the fence edge aligns with your desired offset, then tighten the knob snugly but not over tight. Make sure the base plate sits flat on the workpiece and that you've clamped the material. This prevents binding. You'll want the blade centered in relation to the guideline so your first pass tracks true and you avoid drifting. Now set the jigsaw speed and stroke to match the material. Faster for soft woods, slower and controlled for hardwood or metal, because this reduces burning and blade wear. Adjust the blade depth so the teeth extend just beyond the underside, about 1/8 inch, to improve control without overexposing the blade. Then, with the guide tightened, align the guide fence to your pencil line and make a short test cut on scrap. This confirms. Finish by placing the shoe flat and starting the saw before you engage the work. Feed the jigsaw steadily along the fence, keeping light forward pressure so the blade does the cutting. If you notice drift, stop. Make sure the guide knob is tight, the blade is centered in its clamp, and the shoe isn't rocking. For persistent issues, swap to a new blade rated for the cut. Dull blades cause wander and vibration. One quick troubleshooting tip: if sanding or burning appears, slow your feed and increase speed slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.